Maxi-Grip combines highest clamping stability with best versatility of use to grant long-lasting performances. The vise base, slides, and screws are made of hardened and grounded steel. We introduced interchangeable grip inserts with several teeth types, suitable for the clamping of different materials. Internal bearings and seals are conceived to improve sliding and to keep a correct lubrication of the cinematic movements. The setting system is easy and intuitive, and hex wrench allows to loosen the yoke screws through the jaws holes, thus allowing the tilting of the screw wagon so that the movable jaws reach the mechanical stop against the fixed jaws and ensure a correct alignment. The yoke can then be blocked. During the self-centering clamping, the workpiece will be clamped by the vise and automatically centered thanks to the setting process previously done. For double clamping, remove the screws that press the yoke and install the fixed jaw so that the vises can simultaneously clamp two raw pieces thanks to the grip inserts. After the first machining stage, the workpieces can be turned and clamped on the smooth step for the last stage of machining. Maxi-Grip vises can also simultaneously clamp two pieces of different sizes thanks to a floating system of the yoke and screw. The jaws can rotate of 180 degrees, allowing to clamp very small workpieces too. Finally, it is possible to change the clamping system from self-centering to single clamping. To do this, block the slide with a containment plate using the movable jaw as a fixed jaw with the possibility to end the machining in 2 stages. The modular vise is compatible with holding clamps. The vise can be quickly fixed on the machine table, thanks to the holding clamps included in the standard equipment. Spacers to machine sides of the workpiece hard to reach. Pneumatic zero-point system for always ensuring the safe, quick, and accurate positioning of the workpiece. Quick change tables with mechanical activation.